In this video tutorial, you are going to learn how to send images and videos from laptop to phone without losing quality. Okay, we cover how you can do this on Android as well as on iPhone. Sometimes, if you send some files using some methods like Bluetooth, they lose quality before getting to the intended device. Okay, but here I want to walk you through on how you can do that without losing any quality at all. So let's get into it. First, let me walk you through on how you can carry the file transfer to an iPhone. Okay, open the Microsoft Store that is installed on your Windows device. All right, that's on your Windows computer. Search for iTunes and install it on your Windows PC. You can see the iTunes app here is already installed on my own device. But in your own case, if it's not installed, install it and after that, open it. All right. On opening the iTunes app, you will have an interface that looks like this. Okay. Use the cable you use in charging of your iPhone and connect to the USB port of your PC and the charging port of your phone. Once the connection is established, you may be prompted to allow the Windows PC access your iPhone. Okay, so tap the allow button, okay, for the assessment to be possible. Once that is done, you may be prompted to type the passcode of your iPhone on your iPhone screen. Still do that, okay? Then you will see this icon in the iTunes app. All right, you can see this phone icon. Click on it. Come down to this margin and click on File Transfer. You will see some apps that allows you to share files in your iPhone. I have Chrome already installed on my iPhone, likewise Excel, Word, Zenda, and this. So these apps allows you to share files between your computer and your iPhone. So click on any of them. I like using Zenda. So I will click on this, but you can use Word, you can use Chrome. They are like folders that can accept files from your computer. So let me click on Zenda. Scroll down this page, okay? Then click Add File. This automatically opens the File Explorer of your PC, okay? So let's assume I want to send video. In this case, I have some video files in the download section, so I'll click on Downloads. So in your own case, you know where the video you want to transfer is. So click on that particular folder, all right? Okay, let's assume this is the video file I want to send to my iPhone. I'll click on it. As the video file is selected, I'll click on Open. Now, this video file will be sent to my iPhone. So let me locate it. Look at the video file. So once I get to the Files app on my iPhone and click, I will locate these files in my iPhone. I will locate this file, this video file, in my iPhone. So if it is maybe an image you want to send to the iPhone, still click on the add file. Then let me open the pictures folder and then my pictures. Okay, so these are the folders I created by myself. I can click on this and then open. And here is the image. Okay, so I have now sent this image into my iPhone. So once I open the Files app on my iPhone, I will see this image. So let's get to how to transfer videos and photos to Android device without them losing any quality. Okay, on your Android phone, use the USB cable you use in charging of the phone and establish connection between your computer and the Android device. You do this by plugging the cable one head to the charging port of your Android and the other head to the USB port of your PC. Once this connection is made, you may be prompted on the screen of your Android to select what you want to do next. Select the option Transfer Files or Files Transfer depending on the manufacturer. You are not here to charge the phone, but you want to make file transfer. So leave the option of charge this device and go for transfer files. But in some Android devices, once you connect both devices, the laptop and the Android device, you are ready to get to the next step, which is the file transfer. So open the File Explorer of your computer. As the File Explorer opens, click this PC. Then this displays the storages available on your device as well as the devices that are connected to the computer. Here is the Android device, Tecno Pouvoir. So double click on it. Here is the external storage. So I can minimize this screen and then get to the file I want to transfer to this place. But nevertheless, let's open it. Double click. This displays the folders in your Android device. Okay. So navigate to where you want to make the file transfer. So let me use this DCIM. Okay. So choose a folder of your choice. Some of these folders I created them by myself. Okay. So I'll double click on it. All right. I'm good with this. So let me now minimize this window and get to the file I want to copy. All right. And paste inside. So I will minimize. Then I right click on my File Explorer again and select File Explorer for a new page of File Explorer to be opened. Okay, as this Explorer page opens, I'm landed on a fresh home page. All right, so let me get to the picture or the video I want to copy. So I'll click on videos. So let's experiment with video here. Then let's say I want to copy this video, all right, or this image. Okay, let's just copy both. I'll click on this. For it to be selected, press and hold the control key of your computer keyboard. Okay, so you can get to any picture here. I can still copy another video. So let me copy these two. All right, they are now selected. Then you can see the copy icon here. So you can click on it for it to be copied, or you can right click and select copy option. All right, you can see copy icon here. So I'll copy. Then now let's now open the window of the Android device. So I'll take my cursor here, then look at where we were before. So I'll click and then select the paste icon. And here, these two videos are being pasted in my Android device. So if I get to my Android device and get to this folder named DCIM, I will see these videos. The same applies if you want to copy pictures. It's that simple. So with this transfer, the qualities of the videos and the pictures will remain the same without any reduction or compression. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button so that you get notifications anytime I publish new videos and learn more on technology. Okay, hit that like button for me for the video to go viral and also share if you wish to. All right, you can also support this channel by buying me a coffee. I have buy me a coffee link in the description. So you can support this channel. You can give me a token of $5 or 10, okay? Just to support what I'm doing on this channel. You can also consider watching this video to learn more on technology. See you next time.